series of software engineering. Today we are going to study about software development lifecycle models, and in this video we are going to study the waterfall model. Waterfall model is one of the basic model which has been introduced to product to generate product or softwares. Now let us study it in detail. What are the various phases in waterfall model? These are requirement analysis and specification. In this phase, we gather all the requirements from the customer which the customer needs, and then the analysis of the requirement has been done, and then we specify a SRS document on which the work has been done. After the requirement analysis and specification, the designing phase is come where we design all the implementations, where we design all the requirements according to the need of the customer, and then implementation and unit testing. In this phase we implement and test all the subunits which we have developed in the designing phase, and then comes the integration and system testing. In this phase we integrate all the subunits together, and then system testing is performed in this phase. And after that, operation and maintenance. After the product has been created, the operation of that product and its maintenance is going to be happened in this phase only. A very common why this model is named as waterfall model, because its representation resembles like a cascade of waterfall. That's why it is named as waterfall model. What are the various features of this model? It is very easy to understand as we have only 5 phases. So first the requirement, and then design, then implementation, integration, and then maintenance. So it is very easy to understand. This model is basically on the principle of define during design and design before code. It requires complete and accurate information early in process, which is unrealistic since all the real life projects are not sequential, or all the requirements are not, we cannot get all the requirements at the early of the project cycle. So it is very unrealistic part on this model. What are the disadvantages of this model? Difficult to design all the requirements at the beginning of the project. Not suitable for accommodating any change. Once you have defined all the requirements, it is not suitable. We cannot accommodate any change to the product which has been developed. So it is not suitable for accommodating any change. Working version can be seen late in the project's life. Working version can only be seen after the integration part, where all the subunits are integrated and then tested by the testing team. And it is not suitable for larger projects, because in larger projects the requirements are changed at any phase of the model. Therefore it is not suitable for the larger projects, as it is a sequential procedural, and real projects are rarely sequential. Rarely 1 out of 1000 projects are sequential. Therefore this model is not suitable for any project. Therefore it is very hard to implement. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, and once again